Hello, little friends. Oh, something seems different today. Can you see the tree over there? Yeah, that's a yoga tree. But it seems so sleepy today.
Hello, my name is Rishi. I noticed that too. The yoga tree doesn't look happy today.
You are right, Rishi. I wonder what happened.
Hello everyone, my name is Mira. I've never seen the yoga tree look like this before. Mira, do you know why the yoga tree is sleepy? I'm not sure. Maybe it needs something?
That's a good thought, Mira. The yoga tree grows strong when children move their bodies, stretch, breathe, and smile.
Wow, so yoga helps the yoga tree?
Yes, it does. So when every time children practices yoga, the yoga tree becomes stronger and brighter.
But how can we help the yoga tree? Yes, we are just kids. And we don't know any yoga yet.
Don't worry, Rishi. Don't worry, Mira. I can teach you.
You can teach us yoga? That sounds fun. I want to learn. I can't wait.
Are you ready to join yoga with Mira and Rishi?